Hey everybody, thanks for checking us out this week as we review the bike of the week here at Orlando Harley Davidson South. My name's Josh and I'm a fit specialist here. This week's pick is the 2020 Lowrider. It's a soft tail and it comes in 4 different colors. This particular color is Stonewash White Pearl.
Shotgun red, I made a name for myself. I can't lie, I'm doing well for my age. My dogs said they're praying on my downfall. Well, they just choosing the casket, now they souls in the grave.
With this beautiful classic model, you're getting a fistful of Harley Davidson power with the 107 Milwaukee 8 motor. It's got a 6-speed transmission. This Softail also features LED headlights, as well as comfort for the passenger if you want to throw on a buddy, and it's got the 2-seater with passenger pegs ready to go. This Softail also includes a 5-gallon tank for maximum fuel capacity. Along with being fuel efficient, it also is efficient in maneuverability. With its streamlined design and being lighter than some of our other models, super fun and super easy to just go down the road and take those turns as you want. Also equipped with our beautiful mag wheels for maximum performance.
And I am me, just be. I'm a gentleman, now I'm settled in. Even when they said don't let them in, I said guess again. What's the way I walk into a room and everybody stare? Godfather-like presence, everybody know I'm here. Stepping right into my office, pouring bourbon on the rocks.
Also comes stock with the dual pipe exhaust system with just enough vibration to know you're on a Harley Davidson. This bike is the definition of classic with the bigger fat tire in the back and slightly smaller thinner tire in the front. You're looking at a 19 in the front and a 16 in the back. This bike also features bullhorn handlebars and mid controls, giving you complete control to this Harley Davidson. Thank you so much for watching this far. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Again, my name's Josh, and thanks for joining us for the Bike of the Week here at Orlando Harley Davidson South on this beautiful afternoon.
Top gone red, I made a name for myself. I can't lie, I'm doing well for my dogs said they're praying on my downfall. Well, they just choosing the casket, now they souls in the souls. I'm the man, thought you knew, now you know what it do. I'm a 94, baby. And I'm dabbing down on my feet and my ride too clean. Wake up every morning, hand a lemon in my tea. Moral of the story is, you are you, and I am me, just be.
Again, my name's Josh, and thanks for joining us for the Bike of the Week here at Orlando Harley Davidson South on this beautiful afternoon.